Hey there guys, today's adventure is going to take us on a roughly 5-mile trek down an abandoned road to an old reservoir. We're going to check out the lay of the land and see if there's any potential rock crawling and fishing for this coming summer. So come along for the journey. It should be the first of a series of explorations in this area, and I'm told that there's some caves and some overlooks and cliff faces that we may find along the way. Back down in there should be a dam. We're going to try and make our way down there with the old Toyota here. So we've left the first entrance of the reservoir that we found and continued on down the abandoned road. It just keeps going and going and going. You can't tell from behind me there, but because there's a curve in the road. But I mean, we're about 1.5 miles down the road, I would say. Maybe it feels like more than it is, but we're going to continue on and try and get our way down to the dam. There should be a dam down the back of this when we get down to the end of the road down there. So all right, so this trail should lead us down to the dam. Let's check it out. Found a nice little spot to take a break here with the SCX10.2, and you even hear the water lapping off the rocks here. It's pretty neat spot. Definitely a cool spot. Lots to see, and looks like we're coming into some better rock to do a little bit of crawling. So we'll get some good crawling done, and tons of wildlife. I tried to get a shot of a bald eagle. There was American eagles flying over, and there's some ducks and stuff around, but I don't have the proper camera to get a good shot of them. But I wanted to show you guys something kind of cool out here. There's definitely some active beavers out here, chewing away. I thought what I was hearing was the leaves rustling, but as I keep getting closer and closer to this spot, I haven't seen it yet, but I think I know what it is. It's a big spillway. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on and hopefully get some shots of a spillway. Check this place out. We're in northern Pennsylvania, but this is the closest we're gonna get to like a little Rubicon, I suppose you could call it. Check this out. Pretty neat, man. She just took a hard tumble there. First time to really scrape the fresh body paint. Let's see what she looks like. Not too bad. The jack in the toolbox actually saved the quarter panels. in the door to give this spot another try yet. There it is. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Killer. Alright, it may not look like it on camera, but we're flirting with danger. There's quite a pitch to this rock, and it's about a 15-foot drop on the other side of the cliff face. So I do believe up behind me there's a trail that leads to a ledge that we can take a look over the edge. Well guys, we've continued on this journey of exploration with little RC trucks, and we've made it out into another cool place in the middle of nowhere. Behind me is the Susquehanna River. We're definitely going to come back up this mountain and do some more exploring another day or several times. There's a lot to see. Pretty much made it more than halfway around the entire reservoir, and found some pretty awesome rock crawling here. we'll be readdressing this place and coming back out here and doing some further exploration with the truck. And so we're going to head back on down the trail and make our way out today. Got some other things to do. Well guys, we're on our way out. Hell of an adventure again.